नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, सर्कल या प्रकरणाच्या या आधीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगल अँड इंटरसेप्टेड आर्क म्हणजे काय पाहिलं. आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पाहणार आहोत इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगल थेरम. इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगल थेरम, अंतर्लिखित कोनाचे प्रमेय. सो व्हॉट इज द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ दिस थेरम? द मेजर ऑफ एन इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगल is half of the measure of the arc intercepted by it. The measure of an inscribed angle, जे अंतर्लिखित कोनाचं माप किती आहे? हाफ ऑफ मेजर ऑफ द आर्क इंटरसेप्टेड बाय इट, त्या अंतर्लिखित कोनाने अंतरखंडित केलेल्या कंसाच्या मापाच्या निमपट आहे, हे आपल्याला इथं प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. सो फॉर दॅट आय ड्रॉ हियर वन फिगर. हियर इज गिवन डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ सर्कल. सो वी ड्रॉ हियर वन सर्कल. So this is a circle with center O, and I draw here some inscribed angles. So name of this inscribed angle is here some B A C. So this is the inscribed angles, and this angle intercepted arc, this name this here sir D. What is here sir? D. So arc BDC, it is a arc intercepted by this angle BAC. So that is our diagrams. Now we write here the given part. In a circle with center O, angle BAC, is inscribed angle in arc BAC, in arc BAC. Arc BDC is intercepted arc by the angle. So this is our given part. Now write here, so what we prove here, so to prove what is prove here, some measure of an inscribed angles, which is in inscribed angle here, so angle BAC. Angle BAC, you write here, so angle BAC is equal to, it is the half of the measure, half. So write here, so half of the arc intercepted by it, त्यानं अंतरखंडित केलेल्या कंसाच्या मापाच्या निमपट आहे, म्हणजे आर्क इथं BDC आहे. So right here, sir, 1/2 measure arc BDC. So that is our to prove part. For the writing proof of these theorems, we make here some constructions, because we know here some properties related that circles, triangles, isosceles triangles, that means previous knowledge. By using previous knowledge we solve this proof. So we write here, sir, first constructions. So what is construction here? For construction we draw here ray AO. For constructions we draw here sir ray AO, which is intersect these circles in point E. So that is the ray AO which is intersect this circle at point E. And we draw here OC. What we draw here OC. So this is our constructions. So right here, draw ray AO, which intersect the circle at point E, which intersect the circle at point E. Then we draw radius OC. So this is our construction. Now we write here is a proof of this. So what we write in the proof? So observe first here triangles AOC. In this triangle AOC, OA and OC, these are the radius of the circles. So these are congruent here. And if these radius are congruent here, this triangle becomes isosceles triangles. What is the answer? Isosceles triangles. Therefore, angle OAC, these angles, and angle OCA, these angles are congruent. So we write first here say inner triangles OAC. Inner triangles OAC. What we write here first? OA congruent OC. What is the right here sir? OA congruent OC. So right here sir, side OA congruent side OC. Write a reason for this. We discuss on this. OA and OC, these are the radii of the circles. So right here some radii of same circle. Therefore, what we write here sir? Angles OAC. Therefore, angles OAC is equal to angles OCA. OCA. Look here, sir, angles OAC and angles OCA. These two angles are equal because isosceles triangle theorems, which is here, sir, isosceles triangle theorem. Now these two angles are here congruent. That means measure of these angles are equal. So let the angle of these angles OAC is equal to angles OCA is equal to, denote this here sir, x. This is the x and this is also x. So right here sir, x degree. So this statement is here sir, number 1. Now observe in this figure, OAC, these are triangles, and in these figures angles EOC or COE, it is a exterior angle of this triangle. Angle COE, it is the exterior angle of these triangles AOC. So what is the measure of these angles? We know here remote interior theorems. This angle is equal to sum of remote interior angles. So here remote interior angle is x and x. Summation of this 2x. So this angle become here 2x. So angle OCE, that is a 2x. We write here so. Now angles COE. Angle COE is equal to angle which is here OAC plus angle OCA. angle COE is equal to angle OAC plus angle COA. We write a reason: exterior angle theorem of triangles. Exterior angle theorem of triangles. Therefore, we write here some. This one angle is x plus this one angle is x. So x plus x, that is a 2x. So that is the angles COE. Now think about angles COE. That is the measure of this angle 2x. But this angle is here the central angles, which is here some central angles. So you write here some but angle COE is central angle. Central angle. Therefore, the angle intercepted by the central angle is here some EC. The angle intercepted by the central angle is EC. Therefore, measure of this arc is here some 2x. So we write here some measure arc EC is equal to 2x. Reason? What is the reason? Definition of measure of an arc. So write a reason. Definition of measure of an arc. We know this. म्हणजे कंसाच्या मापाच्या व्याख्येनुसार आपण इथे काय लिहिलं, मेजर आर्क EC इज इक्वल टू 2x. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट इज हिअर्स number 2. This is statement number 2. Now look here some. Let OAC is equal to OCA is equal to x degree and measure arc EC is equal to 2x degree. So from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Look here some. Angles OAC is equal to x degree. That means angles EAC, it is also x degree. And arc intercepted by these angles EAC, it is a EC. Arc EC and measure of this arc, that is a 2x. It is twice the inscribed angles x, and x is a half of this 2x. So we write here sir, from 1 and 2, angles OAC is equal to, OAC means that is the EAC. OAC चा विचार केला, OAC चा विचार केला तर तो अँगल इकडे पुढे इनक्रीज म्हणजे साइड फक्त इनक्रीज केली तर काय होणार आहे EAC. So we write here sir, angles OAC is equal to angles EAC is equal to 1/2 measure arc EC. बघा स्टेटमेंट नंबर 1 आणि 2 चा विचार केला तर OAC म्हणजेच काय आहे, EAC आहे. It is equal to x, but this angle intercepted arc, that is a measure arc EC is equal to 2x. That means half of this arc, this angle. म्हणजे हा जो कोण आहे तो कोण ह्या कंसाच्या निंपट आहे, तेच रिलेशन आपण इथे लिहिलं. Angle OAC is equal to angle EAC is equal to 1/2 measure arc EC. So this is a statement number 3. This is a statement number 3. So this statement number 3, what is proof here sir? Angles EAC, it is half the measure arc EC. That's way, that's like by joining a BO, there is angles. We write here sir, angles EAB इट इज ऑल्सो हाफ द मेजर आर्क बीई. म्हणजे इथं जसा तुम्ही EAC हा अँगल्स ECच्या म्हणजे आर्क ECच्या निमपट आहे असं दाखवलं, त्याच पद्धतीनं अँगल BAE आणि आर्क BE यांच्यामध्ये रिलेशन सांगता येईल. अँगल BAE is equal to 1/2 मेजर आर्क BE. So that is our fourth statements, but there is no space for writing. So you first write all this, then we continue again. Similarly, we can prove by drawing segment BO. What we prove here, sir? Angle BAE. Angle BAE is equal to 1/2 major arc BE. Major arc BE. This is the statement number 4. This is the statement number 4. Now we write here sir statement number 3 and statement number 4. Now add the statement 2 by adding 3 and 4. What do you get here sir? Look here sir, angles OAC, that means angle EAC, angle EAC plus angles that is a BAE, angle BAE is equal to, we add here left side of these two equations, then right side measure angles arc, we write here sir summation of right sides, that is a 1/2 major arc EC plus 1/2 major arc which is here sir BE. Now add these two. Look here sir, angle EAC and angle BAE. If we add these two angles, what do you get here sir? Angle BAC. So right here sir, angle BAC is equal to, in this addition there are 1/2 common, so right here sir 1/2 major arc which is here sir EC plus major arc which is here sir BE. Major arc EC plus major arc BE. Major arc EC plus major arc BE, that is a BEC. So right here sir major arc BEC. Now observe this, BEC and BDC are the same arc. So for that BEC we write here sir is equal to 1/2 major arc BDC. So that is the angle BAC we prove here. So angle BAC is equal to 1/2 major arc BDC. This is a theorem proof here sir. So this statement is here sir 5. बघा थेरम मध्ये जे आपल्याला विचारले ते आपण प्रूफ केलं. आता थेरम संपला का? प्रूफ संपला का? नाही संपलेला. का संपलेला नाही पहा. आपण काय केलं, इथं सेंट्रल अँगल काढलेला आहे. सेंट्रल अँगल काढत असताना जो सेंटर आहे तो सेंटर इथं अँगलच्या आत आहे. कुठं आहे? इंटेरियर पार्ट ऑफ द अँगल्स. बट एव्हरी टाइम इट इज नॉट इंटेरियर पार्ट ऑफ द अँगल्स. इट मे बी आउटसाइड ऑफ द अँगल्स और इट मे बी ऑन द साइड ऑफ द अँगल्स. म्हणजे प्रत्येक वेळी तो वर्तुळाच्या अंतर्भागातच असेल असं काही नाही. कदाचित तो त्या अंतर्लिखित कोणाच्या एका भुजेवर असेल किंवा भुजेच्या बाहेर असेल किंवा त्याच्या अंतर्भागात असेल. तर या 3 केसमध्ये आपल्याला हे रिलेशन प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे. मग थोडासा विचार केला तर आपण इथं 2 केसेस पूर्ण केल्यात. कुठल्या 2 केसेस? बघा, इथं सेंट्रल अँगल O आहे. इट इज लाईज ऑन द साइड ऑफ अँगल EAC. म्हणजे EAC हा सुद्धा एक इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगल आहे, त्याच्या ज्या एका भुजेवर तो आहे. आणि इथं सुद्धा तुम्ही प्रूव्ह केला स्टेटमेंट नंबर 3 मध्ये. स्टेटमेंट नंबर 3 मध्ये तुम्ही काय प्रूव्ह केला? सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल लाईज ऑन द साइड ऑफ द अँगल्स. म्हणजे इन्स्क्राइब्ड अँगलच्या एका भुजेवर जर सेंट्रल पॉइंट असेल तर त्यावेळी असणारं रिलेशन हे आपण प्रूव्ह केलं. आणि आता आपण प्रूव्ह काय केलं 5व्या स्टेटमेंटमध्ये की सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल लाईज इन द इंटेरियर पार्ट ऑफ द अँगल BAC. म्हणजे कोणाच्या अंतर्भागात आणि कोणाच्या एका भुजेवर असताना ते आपण प्रूव्ह केलं. आता आपल्याला काय प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे? तर सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल लाईज ऑन द एक्सटेरियर पार्ट ऑफ द अँगल्स. सो दॅट इज अवर थर्ड केस. सो these 2 cases out of the 3 we prove here, sir. Now is here's a third case. Now we think about one more case. We draw here's a center of the circle, that is O, and draw this angle as x. Angle BAC, that is the inscribed angle, but center of the circle is outside of the angles. And in this case we prove this. So for that construction as like, you draw first diameter and name this here so E. We calculate here some measure of angle BAC. So right here so angle BAC is equal to, by observing these figures, what is here so measure angles BAC, that means angle BAE, angle BAE minus angle CAE, minus angle CAE. डायग्रामचं ऑब्झर्वेशन केला तर ह्या BAC चं माप काय? टोटल अँगल जो आहे BAE त्याच्यातून जर CAE हा मायनस केला, म्हणजे ह्या पूर्ण अँगल मधून हा अँगल मायनस केला तर तुम्हाला शिल्लक काय राहणार आहे? BAC. सो you write here what is the measure of this angle BAE. Look here, so BAE. So right here, so measure of this angle intercepted arc is BE. So measure of this angle is 1/2 the intercepted arc BE. So I write here, so 1/2 major arc, which is here, so BE, minus angle CAE. Angle CAE, it is also inscribed angles and it is intercepted arc EC. So measure of this angle, it is half to major arc CE. So right here, so 1/2 major arc CE. Now solve this. Here 1/2 is common, so right here, so 1/2 major arc BE minus major arc CE. So what do you get here? So major arc BE minus C. Look here, sir, BE. This is the BE minus C. म्हणजे ह्या इतक्या कंसातून हा एवढा कंस मायनस केला तर राहणार काय? BC. So right here, sir, 1/2 major arc BC. Therefore we can write again angle BAC is equal to 1/2 major arc BC. So as I like this theorem, yes, proved. So as like we prove this theorem here, so which is a inscribed angle theorem, that means measure of an inscribed angle is half the measure of the arc intercepted by it in three cases. तीन केस मध्ये आपण तो प्रूव्ह केला. Now this theorem is also stated as it the measure of an angle subtended by an arc on a point on the circle is half the measure of angle subtended by the arc at the center. So as like these statements we can also write, but it is not necessary to write here. We share the next part, but before this you write all this. Now we see corollaries of inscribed angle theorems. So what are this? What are these? For that we draw here two circles, and in first circles there is circle with center C, and we take here some point P and Q. These are the end points of the arc. These on arc. So that is the arc, and in this arc you take any point here. So I take here point R and draw angles PRQ. This on PRQ, and here's second angles, name this here sir. Yes. So look here sir, angles PRQ, this is one intercepted, these one inscribed angles, and PSQ, this is the second inscribed angles, but these two inscribed angles intercept one common or same arc, that is PTQ. Therefore measure of these angles are here congruent. या दोन कोणांचा विचार केला, कोन PRS आणि अँगल PSQ ह्या दोन्ही अँगलनी एकच आर्क इंटरसेप्ट केलेला आहे, त्यामुळे त्यांची माप सुद्धा कशी आहेत, समान आहेत. हे आपण सुरुवातीला पाहिलं होतं. आपण फक्त कोरोलरीच्या रूपात इथं लिहितोय. काय लिहिणार आहे, angles inscribed in the same arcs are congruent. Angle inscribed in the same arc are congruent. So that is one corollary we see here sir. Earlier we see this practically. आपण हे practically या अगोदर पाहिलेलं आहे. आपण आता फक्त स्टेटमेंट बघतो इथं. Angles inscribed in the same arc are congruent, म्हणजे एकाच कंसातील अंतर्लिखित कोन कसे असतात, एकरूप असतात, समान मापाचे असतात. You can prove this. तुम्ही हे प्रूफ सुद्धा करू शकता. You try to prove it. Now second corollary. In these figures, AC is the diameter of these circles, and these circles divided in two parts, that is the semicircles. And we take here so one point, that is the B, and draw angle here so ABC. And this angle ABC, it is intercepted arc AXC. But this AXC is a semicircles, and measure of this semicircle is 180 degree. Therefore measure of this angle is 1/2 80, that means 90. So it becomes 90. That means measure of inscribed angle in semicircle is a right angles. म्हणजेच अर्धवर्तुळातील कोन हा काय असतो, काटकोन असतो. So right here sir, angle inscribed a semicircle is a right angle, is a right angle. So these are the corollaries depending on the inscribed angle theorems. What we share, the first corollary is angles inscribed in the same arcs are congruent, म्हणजे एकाच कंसातील कोन अंतर्लिखित कोन एकरूप असतात. And second year's angle inscribed in a semicircle is the right angles, म्हणजे अर्धवर्तुळातील कोन हा कटकोन असतो. So as like we prove this theorem and corollaries. Now what you do? You revise all this point and solve some example in practice set 3.4. In practice set 3.4. Not complete solve this practice set 3.4 because one point is more there remains, that is cyclic quadrilaterals. 3.4 मधला आणखी एक पॉइंट आपल्याला शिकायचा आहे. तो भाग झाल्यानंतर तुम्ही तो कंप्लीट सोडवू शकता. पण आता जितका भाग झालेला आहे तेवढ्या भागातीलच प्रश्न तुम्ही त्या 3.4 म्हणजे 3.4 मधील प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.4 मधील सोडवा. टुडे वी स्टॉप हियर्स. We meet again in next video. But before this, write all this. But don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video.